Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will create the pricing section. So let's see how it looks. So this is the pricing section which we are going to create. So in our layout, we need to create our pricing section. So let's go to VS Code, and after this section, I will create a comment which is called pricing. Okay, and let's comment this out. And here I'll take a section tag, and inside I'll take a div, and I'll add some basic Tailwind CSS classes. So class that is going to be bg cyan 600, text cyan 200, and padding from top and bottom is 32. Okay, and inside this div I'll take a container div. So container div, let's comment this, and here I'll take a div with a class of container. Okay, mx auto, and padding from left and bottom, sorry, left and right will be 10. Okay, now inside the container there will be a left box. Okay, so I'll comment this out, and then there will be pricing box. Okay, so let's comment this out. Then there'll be right box. Okay, so we will create all the three boxes. Okay, so first one is the left box. So I'll take a div, and inside I'll take a p tag. Okay, we need three p tags, but let's complete the first one. So inside this I'll take a strong tag, and here I'll add text which is xy videos. Okay, and inside I'll add a class that is going to be font bold and text white. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so we will get a space. Then I'll duplicate this, option shift and down arrow key, and Windows alt shift and down arrow key. Okay, the text will change. So ABRs, this text you can write whatever you want. I'm just adding this according to me, and here I will add source code. Okay, and here I'll add a text that is like, let's see what the text is. So XY videos at a smooth pace. So I'll just copy and I'll paste it here. Okay, then what else we have on the second, AB hours of learning and building, and this will be source code and Tailwind playground. Okay, let's save this and let's check it in the browser. So here we have got, okay, text is white, spelling is wrong. So let me copy and paste it here, save this. Okay, now the text is white, font is bold, it is fine. Okay, this left box is created. Now we will create the pricing box, which is this one. Okay, styling we will do in the next lecture. Okay, this is the basic styling which I have created, but in the next video we will style the entire section. Okay, so let's finish the layout first. So pricing box div, and inside the div let me add some Tailwind CSS classes. So class that is going to be bg white, text will be gray 800, width is going to be 1/3, and padding we will take 8. Okay, and inside this div we will take an h3 tag which says learn Tailwind, and inside I'll take a span tag which says CSS. Okay, and here we will give a class that is called italic. Then after this h3 tag I will take one more div, and inside I'll take another div, and inside we'll take a span tag which is $19. Okay, then after the span tag I'll take one more span tag, and inside we need one more span. Okay, and inside we will say this is dollar, and this will be 9. Okay, let's save this and let's check. So here is the box, and last we need a button. So after this div we will take an a tag, a href, and inside we will say get the course. Save this. Okay, so this is the button which we have created. Now we will style the entire thing in the next lecture. Now we will create the right box. Okay, so we'll take a div, and again we will take a p tag, and inside we'll take a strong tag, and here I'll write some text. So own projects. Let's see what is the text. So use the code in your own project. So let me copy this, and here okay, here I'll paste. Use your code in your own projects. Okay, and this would be class that is going to be font bold, text white, and let's duplicate this, and let's copy this access to, let's say, message for support. You can give any text you want. Okay, I'm just doing it randomly. So now this is the third one, which says access, lifetime access. Okay, so lifetime access. Save this, go back. So here it is, use code in your own project, access to message for support, then lifetime access. Okay, now we need all these three side by side. Okay, so in the container div, I'll give flex. Okay, and save this, go back. Now as you can see, all these three boxes are side by side. So this is something which we have done as a layouting, and in the next video I will style the entire section, okay, to look something like this. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.